On today's episode of the Mogul Media Spotlight podcast, we have a comprehensive guide to USB-C to Lightning adapters. This article is a must-read for anyone looking to connect their phones, tablets, and more. Whether you're a tech-savvy individual or just someone who wants to simplify their charging setup, this guide has got you covered. With the ever-increasing popularity of USB-C, understanding the ins and outs of this adapter is essential. So grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and get ready to level up your charging game. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Read more